Welcome to the Distars 2 platform for Headmasters. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the essential features and actions that a headmaster can perform on this platform. To get started, log in using your username and password. These credentials will be provided to you by the platform administrators. After logging in successfully, you'll be taken to the main page. Expand the menu on the left-hand side and select View under the Schools section. This will display a list of schools assigned to you. Locate your school in the list and click View to manage its details, including classes, teachers, students, and stories. Make sure you are working within the current academic year. Double-check your selection in the drop-down list to avoid making changes to the wrong year's data. To begin managing your school's classes, select the Classes tab. Click the Create button to add a new class. Enter the name of the class in the designated field and click Create to save it. The new class will now appear in the list. To add additional classes, simply repeat this process. To add your school's teachers, select the Teachers tab. Click the Create button to add a new teacher. Enter the name of the teacher in the designated field, an initial password, select the teacher's class and click Create to save it. The teacher will now appear in the list. To add additional teachers, simply repeat this process. More than one teachers can be added in the same class. To add your school's students, select the Students tab. Click the Create button to add a new student. Enter the name of the student in the designated field, an initial password, select the student's class and click Create to save it. The student will now appear in the list. To add additional students, simply repeat this process. Navigate to the Stories tab to view the stories created by students. To the right of each story, you'll see its current status, not published, in review, or published. A play button is available to preview a story before deciding to publish it. You can manage the status of each story using the action buttons. When in review, publish the story or return it to not published for corrections. When it's published, unpublish the story or return it to in review for further evaluation. As a headmaster, you are responsible for overseeing the delivery of questionnaires for student evaluations. Use the Assign button in the Actions menu of each class to open or close a questionnaire as needed. When the checkbox is selected, the questionnaire becomes live, and students will receive a notification. When the checkbox is unselected, the questionnaire is no longer available to students. The date and time a questionnaire was opened and withdrawn is recorded by the system. That's everything a headmaster can do on the Distars 2 platform. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and we hope you found it helpful.